This tutorial will introduce you to products and categories within Infigo. Products come in various different types, ranging from basic stock products, so that's akin to pick and pack products, to fully customizable and design-ready products using Infigo's template editors. Here we'll create two of the simpler product types and group them together within a category, and we'll discuss some of the critical settings associated with these areas. So we're going to navigate to our product management area. So start searching for product management up at the top left, and then go to that section. This will show us details of all of the products currently added to the active storefront. There isn't any in this case at the moment, so I'm just going to go to Add New up on the top right. So enter a name for your new product. Then select the type of product that you wish this to be. So the default list contains stock, static PDF, and mega edit type products. More product types are available, but require enabling before they appear in this list. And we'll cover this a little bit later on. For a stock product, and that's the type that we'll select here, no additional configuration or inputs are required prior to clicking Create. So your product is now created and you'll be taken to the product details page. The product details page is used to design and populate the front-end landing page for that particular product. Every product, regardless of type, will have a product details page and a corresponding front-end product landing page. So the first thing I'm going to do here is click on Show on Homepage. Now this is not a requirement, but we'll add the product to a special section on the homepage called Featured Products. During the developmental stage of your storefront, it gives easier access to your key products. On a live site, it's used to draw attention to particular products. The next area down gives us several description editors on the product details page, allowing you to design different areas of your eventual product landing page. Each of these will be populated by a rich editor input by default, which just allows you to input and design your text. However, like we've seen in previous tutorials, these can be switched to either a code mirror editor for Fluid HTML users or the content template editor tools. In our example, I'm just going to populate text in some of those editors, which are further down the page, still using the rich editor template, just so we can determine their location on the eventual product landing page. Once those are complete, I'm just going to scroll to the top of the page and click Save and Continue Edit. We can navigate directly to the front end landing page for this particular product by clicking on View Product Page. Now, another differentiation between storefront and platform administrator accounts. If you're logged in as the storefront administrator, you will be able to view your products on the front end, assuming they are published. However, you won't be able to do this as a platform administrator, as the platform administrators don't have direct access rights to the front end of an individual storefront unless they are impersonating a user, as we discussed previously. So I'll view the product landing page, and we'll see the beginnings of the development of our product landing page. At this stage, it's quite basic due to a lack of input information. We can see the product name, along with some of our basic descriptions with input, and a placeholder for our eventual images that we're going to position as well. So let's start off with one of these images. If I go back to my product details page editor, and I'm going to navigate to my Pictures tab, which is about halfway along. Now this page gives you the ability to upload one or multiple images to that particular product landing page. So click on Upload a File underneath the Pictures tab, and then just select a picture from your machine. Now for this particular example, we'll not be too focused on the sizing of images, particular images that we want to use, as we're just doing this as an example. But when you're actually doing this for real on your own products, you do want to make sure that all the products and the images are sized equally. They've got the correct ratio for your particular web page, and they'll need to be designed as such. So I've selected an image I want to use, but we need to make sure that it's actually being utilized by the product. At this stage, we've only uploaded the image we might want to use. I want to click on Add Product Picture in order to finalize that selection. And then we can repeat the process if we want multiple images. Click on Save or Save and Continue Edit at the top of the page, and then either reload or refresh the product landing page. And there you'll see our page is now updated to show a main image, and then an area where we can select between the image being shown. So next we'll talk briefly about display settings. So that's an additional tab which is on our product details page. So this page can be used to change the design and layout of your product landing page for this particular product. It contains settings such as changing the location of different description boxes and showing additional links on the page. We'll not be describing these settings in detail as part of the Rapid Build tutorial series. However, additional tutorials are available where you can take a look at these in greater detail. Okay, so let's create a different product type now. We've finished with our stock product to begin with. I'm going to go to Back to Product List and then click on Add New yet again. This time we'll create a static PDF product. So switch the product type to static PDF and enter a name. We can see that when we switch to static PDF, an additional button appears asking us to upload the PDF which you want to associate with this particular product. So static PDF products allow users to purchase a static piece of printed artwork which is not editable. So for example, it might be an artist print or a static brochure. All we need to do is click on Upload or click to upload and then find the PDF that we want to connect to it. Once that's done, just click on Create. So what you'll be presented with is a near identical product details page to what we saw with the stock product. So this product details page is still dedicated to the design of the product landing page. So once again, I'm going to say show this on home page just for ease of use later on, and then give that a save. Now, settings related to the specific product type can often be found to the top right of this product details page. And it's accessed, generally speaking, through a slightly lighter coloured button, and you can see it's the product type with config written on the end. These will take you to product type specific configuration options for this particular product. So we can see, for example, that these are the options available for our static PDF product configuration. Things such as uploading a new PDF to utilize for this product, changing the preview that we provide to the user, and that kind of thing. If you want to return to the product details page, just click on Product Config at the top of the screen. Let's take a look at this product on the front end. So I'm going to click on View Product Page again. And we can see that, generally speaking, this is very similar layout. However, because we're using a static PDF product, the default layout of this will show the uploaded PDF as a preview over on the left-hand side instead of a product image. Everything else is largely the same. So the next thing I'm going to show you here is how to enable additional product types. This is quite easy to do. So if we just navigate to our menu over here, go to Admin Area Settings, and then under the Product Types section, you can enable other types of products that are available within Infigo. With the exception of Mega Edit products, these will not be covered as part of the Rapid Build series. However, many of them have additional tutorial resources available within the Infigo Academy. It's just a case of clicking the product type that you want to be available and then clicking Save. So next, we're going to navigate to creating categories. So on the search menu up on the top left, type Manage Categories, and then go to that screen. So categories are a means of grouping products that you wish to be associated with one another on your particular storefront. So for example, you may have a stationery category or a brochure category containing related products. Like products, categories have customizable landing pages. So if we click on Add New to create a new category, we get taken immediately to a category details page. So this is very similar to the product details page that we've been working on previously. On this page, you can input imagery and descriptions associated with that particular category. As with the product details page, you can also construct these pages utilizing content template functionality, should you wish to do so. So in our example here, I'm just going to do a couple of simple things here. I'm going to make it so that we can see this category on the home page. As with products, this isn't a requirement as such. However, it will make the category more easily accessible whilst we're setting up and configuring our storefront. Then additionally, we have this parent category section here. So categories can be subcategorized inside other categories, which are also known as parent categories. So you can use this option to specify the category you wish to have as the parent category. So, i.e. the next level up in the chain. So I'm just going to enter a name for our category here. And then I'm going to scroll down and upload a category image. So this is not a specific requirement. You can create the category without an image. However, uploading no image will result in this placeholder being displayed instead. Then scroll to the top of the page and click Save and Continue Edit. That's our category created. Now that's all that's left to do here is to actually add products to that particular category. So to do this, we're going to navigate a couple of tabs over to the right on our category details page to the products tab. We can see at the moment that there's no products associated with this particular category. Click on Add New Product, and you'll be shown a list of all of the available products on this particular storefront. And then it's simply a case of checking the products that you want to add to the category and clicking on Save. As with products, the layout of the category landing page can be modified using the Display Settings tab. Okay, so let's go ahead and view our handiwork. So I'm going to go to this Public Store button at the top of the screen that we utilized previously, and that will take us direct to the homepage of our storefront. Now, if you selected Show on Homepage for your category, that will be shown in this featured category section. Also, further down this page, you'll find that we have a featured products section, again, if you specified show on homepage. So let's take a look at this in more detail. If we go to our featured category section and click on that category, that will take us to the actual category landing page. Now, again, we've not specified much in the way of customization options here, so it's our most basic format at the moment. But you can see it is showing us details for the products that we've put inside that category. And again, clicking on one of those product links will take us to the relevant product landing page. So congratulations, you've now created 2 new products and structured them inside a category.